Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to edit shortcuts for your XIAOMI Smart Kettle 2 Pro. As you can see in the app, as I scroll down, I'll find the extension modes. Now I can edit them by clicking on this edit button. As you can see, I have 4 modes. And I can edit them by rearranging them or deleting them, but later on I'll show you how to. You can see when I press and hold on the 3 lines, I can then move it. I'll show you how to add new ones also as well. I can also select it and delete it. Now I'll close it for now without saving, so it won't save my changes. I can add a new mode by clicking on add a new mode. Then I can enter the mode name. Whatever, you can do whatever here. It can be tea, coffee, whatever you want. Then heating temperature can be set. Let's do 65. Now you can enable or disable automatically keeping warm after reaching the set temperature, which means if it's enabled, if it keeps warm, if it warms up to 65 degrees Celsius, then it will basically keep that temperature for a set time, but you can select which temperature to keep. So it will heat up to 65 and then it will keep it. Let's do 65 or let's do 60. You could also do boil, so put it on boil and then keep it at 60 so it would boil and then go down to 60 and keep that temperature. And you can change the duration for how long it should keep that temperature. Let's do 5 hours, for example. Let's approve it. And now when I select that mode and select start heating, it will boil and then keep warm at 60 degrees Celsius for 5 hours. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.